Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna create the movie recommendation engine for my movie recommendation system project. This is the part 2 tutorial of the movie recommendation system. In the part 1, I described the functionality and the layout of my movie recommendation system project. If you haven't watched the part 1, please go and watch. In this video guys, I create the engine for my movie recommendation system. At first, I import the pandas as PD. If you haven't installed pandas in your computer, please install the pandas with the command pip install pandas. In the second line of code, I read the movies.csv file with the command read underscore csv, and the df1.head show the top 5 row of that particular csv file, which have the feature of user movie id, titles, and genres. Similarly, this line of code read the CSV file rating.csv and show the top 5 row of the rating.csv file which have the feature of the user ID, movies ID, rating and timestamp. And this line of code merge the data frame df1 and df2. And after merging the data frame df1 and df2, it dropped the feature of the generate feature, generates and timestamp. Here, axis 1 indicate it is the feature. Feature means columns. After dropping the generates and timestamp, my feature, my data frame is look like this, which have the feature of movies ID, titles, user IDs, and rating. This line of code, here I create the pivot table, which have the index of user ID, columns of titles, and values equal to rating. Here you can see this is my pivot table, which look like this. And to see the shape of my user ratings data frame, a pivot table, I write the command user ratings.shape, which have the shape of 610 rows and 9719 columns. And this line of code said that this line of code drop the feature which contain more than 10 null value, and for the feature which have the less than 10 null value, it fill up with 0. The axis 1 indicate it is feature, or we can say column. After dropping the feature, there is after dropping the feature, there is 2269 feature only. It means that the 9719 minus 2269, when we minus this, about an 6000 feature are removed. I minimize this. I click on this. Now here by this line of code say that I applied the correlation formula, which method is Pearson. It find the correlation between two values. For the for the same value, it return the values of 1. The correlation between two values is 1, and the correlation between the different values have the different values. The correlation means that the relationship between two values. This line of code print the indexes of the core matrix. Here is the indexes. The indexes in the indexes you found that there is the movie's name. This is the name of the movies. I minimize this. Now this here I create the function that return the similar ratings for the particular movies which is passed here. Here I have the list of movies. Here I have the list of movies. I forward the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of the movies with the rest with corresponding rating for the particular movie. And here I applied the looping for this movie to pass in this get similar function one by one. and this get similar function return the similar ratings of the particular movie that is passed in this function. And here I sort the value ascending is equal to false. Ascending is equal to false means the descending is equal to true. It has written the value which have the more ratings. For this list of movies, you can see here, these are the recommended movie for this list of movie. And at last, I create the pickle file for the core matrix. Core matrix. If you, if the main reason behind this, I create the pickle file is that I want to apply this formula in my Django. So if I use whole of code for the Django, then it will take a lot of time to execute. So within the pickle file, I decompose this core matrix value. Here I create the pickle file of movies pickle. So to read the pickle file, you can apply the here I applied the formula this. The pickle file is nothing but it decomposes a lot of file in one file. Then that's become be simpler to use that pickle file in anywhere. So only this much for this video guys. I know you have lot of doubt in regarding this video. Please if you have the doubt in some point please guys comment below. If you like this video guys please like this video. Make sure guys if you want the lot of video in future the regarding lot of the tutorial lot of project please subscribe this channel and thank you for watching guys.